In this video, I am going to show you the absolute simplest way to add color and texture to your 3D models in Blender. Even if you are brand new to 3D, by the end of this video, you will know how to turn a basic cube into fully textured object like a wooden crate. Let's start with our cube. First, start by opening the Blender and you will land in this interface. Now, let's just start with our cube. For now, we are keeping it simple and not doing any fancy modeling. The very first thing we need to understand is materials. In Blender, every 3D object is made of materials. Material determine the object color, how it reflects light, its roughness, and so much more. And with our cube selected, by just clicking on it like so, and when it is selected, you will see the orange outline, your material settings. By default, the cube already has a material. To change the color, just go to the material tab on your right hand side and click on it and click on the base color and a color slider will open. Just choose any color to your liking. Let's say I want to go with a green color, so I'll just select a green color like so. Let's see how it looks by just going to the viewport shading. You will see the color has been successfully changed. As we want to make our cube into a wooden crate, we will just click on the color once again and keep it somewhere around orange like so. And to make the color dark, just use the slider like so, and you will see it has been successfully turned to brown. Just choose the color that best fits your needs. Now that our cube is brown, let's make it look like a real wooden crate. One simple way to add details without changing geometry is to use texture image. But before that, we will go over another way. Just go to the base color and you will see a little color icon. Just click on the color icon and a new pop-up will appear. And from here, you will get different texture options. You can choose texture like brick and it will successfully turn into a brick like so. And I'm just gonna go with another one. I'll just click on that color once again. And let's say I want to add a sky one. So I'll just click on it and it will be successfully added. Now let's add our texture image. Just go to the material tab once again and click on the yellow dot in the base color once again. And under texture, you will see something labeled as image texture. Just click on it. And when you click on image texture, you will see a new file explorer icon and a open text labeled. Just click on open and now you will be able to add your texture image. So I'm just gonna go ahead and import the one that I downloaded from Pixabay, and here it is. After selecting, just click on open image and you will see that it has been successfully added. And once the texture is loaded, you might notice it looks weird on the cube. That's because we haven't set up UV mapping yet. UV tells Blender how to apply the image to the 3D shape. Luckily, for a simple cube, it is easy. Just press Tab key on your keyboard to enter the edit mode. And from here, you will see new options appear. And in the option, you will see an option labeled as UV. Just click on the UV and you will see different options appear for UV. And make sure all the face is selected. Just select the cube and press A to select all of the faces like so. And just go to UV and from here, choose an option for cube projection. This automatically projects the texture onto each side of the cube evenly like so. And now you can see it is looking much better. And when we go to the rendered version for viewport shading, you will see it is looking absolutely realistic. This automatically projects the texture onto each side of the cube evenly. Press Tab key again to return to the object mode. This is a huge difference from just coloring it brown. If you want to adjust how rough or shiny the material looks, just go to the materials tab and you can adjust the roughness like so. And when you adjust the roughness, you can see the difference in real time. For a wooden crate, you might increase roughness slightly to make it less reflective. If you want, you can repeat this process for other object, a stone block, a brick wall, or even character's clothing by simply using different texture and UV mapping. And there you go. Even as a beginner, you can take a simple cube and turn it into a realistic wooden crate using Blender's material and texture.